Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some most amazing and beautiful designing ideas of crochet clutches. You will see different kinds of patterns in this video. Most of these designs are made with single crochet stitch, but you will also see some other stitches like double crochet or half double crochet in some of the designs as well. So all of these designs are made with different contrasting color schemes. You will see patchwork patterns in this video as well, like this one, which is made with a granny square patchwork, and different contrasting color schemes are used in this single pattern. And you can see this beautiful star stitch pattern made with contrasting colors as well. And this one is made with single crochet and chain one pattern. This one is also a square patch pattern. So different kinds of patterns are included in this video, which are having different kinds of yarns and materials which are used in them as well. So some of the designs which are of patchwork can be made with leftover yarns of different crochet projects as well, in which a smaller amount of yarn is required, but you will see some designs which are totally in one color or into different contrasting colors. So you can use different kinds of color for these patterns. You can just take a screenshot of any specific design which you like the most and you want to make and make it by yourself at home. These are very useful pouch ideas and clutches ideas because you can use them to hold your crochet accessories, crochet hooks, needles, etc. You can use them in your casual routine to hold your makeup accessories. You can use them in a smaller size to carry your stationery accessories if you are a college girl or a school going girl as well. So these are immensely useful designs of crochet pouches which are more attractive and stunning than normal pouch which is factory made, because these are unique and give more stunning look than simple designs. So you can see most of these designs are having zipper inside, and some of the designs are of button closure as well. So most of these designs are having a fabric stuffing inside, and some of the designs are without fabric stuffing as well. You will see t-shirt yarn used in some of the designs as well, like this one. And for other clutches, different kinds of yarn and threads are used. So you can use any sturdy yarn with these pouches.